Farmers Voice Days.
Shall move forward, forward. We are so proud to be Ambazonians. Ambazonians shall move forward, forward. We are so proud to be Ambazonians. We come from Omondi and Fako, Dongamantu, Kupe Maningu Babwi. We come from Ezama, Yugoyo.
Mama and Papa them for Southern Cameroon's Ambazonia. Una welcome for Amber Farmers Voice. Amber Farmers Voice na program where it bring una practical and simple way them for grow plenty chop. We don't say and say this world is so hungry go dey plenty yo. So Amber Farmers Voice dey here for help for say make we put all we head for one place. See how we fit make we own organic fertilizer, how we fit make we own medicine, where we fit use them for key insect the way they spoil chop. We want see how we will fit work plenty chop for small ground, for small piece of land, so we work plenty chop day. How we fit fix we own solar dryer them for dry we chop like jama them. So we talk say make all man tune in for SCBC TV, for Umo Jami, for Facebook, YouTube, or you fit download Amber Farmers Voice app for learn how we will fit work plenty chop. If una get any question or problem with una farm, una fit send am for we so that Amber Farmers Voice go answer am for una. We be ready for help una for give una information for how for grow plenty chop, for keep chop for long time, make it no spoil. Thank una plenty.
Shall move forward, forward. We are so proud to be Ambazonians. Ambazonians shall move forward, forward. We are so proud.
Hello everybody, welcome again for Amber Farmers Voice. My name again is Isaac Zama. Since today, which I want to talk how you feel easily weed your farm. Since farming season come up, one make farmers and start think how they go weed their farm and then they go prepare. We get some tool for here where now even we use them for weed grass for here for US. And so when I be weed grass today, I just think say make a share them with una for see how una too if you think about them for make una own for any place una there. Now see that's how they design the tool. So when if you find small iron, una bend them like this, and then when I really file this area, make it really sharp. If you use any kind of small iron, whether not really strong zinc, or what I call it, I say toll bark or how I call that thing for that side. But some iron will be a little strong. That's how they design them. When I must design them exactly like this, but when I fit design them in such a way we do like this, and then when I go find small stick, whether not bamboo or but stick where is strong, when I make them, then when I put that inside, when I nail them for here. If we don't get the kind tools and way they can make it strong, so when I design them like this, and then when I put nail for here, when I put nail for here, and then this side, now even they use it for weed. This side they use it for weed is really sharp, and they will use it for weed. The reason why I want to share this one because as farmers they weed grass, they bend down and then they're back the hot. So try for prevent for the over bend for down. If you make some tool like this, and then you go use them for weed. I go demonstrate how I use them for weed and how I would use them for here. Make una really see how it work, so that una fit do una own. So if na your bed farm this, you hold on like this, and then you send them under the ground. You see it weed grass very fast. As you make it so you go. See how you put that inside, it just the weed the grass. This thing it go under the grass and then it just cut them from under. Now see now all that. So if you not see them, it don't take less than 2 minutes or less than 1 minute for weed this small place. Where if you begin to weed on our hand, it will take you like 5 minutes or 6 minutes for weed them. And then not only that, your back will be hot. So if you plant whether corn or you plant green where it gets spaces like this, you see, I said this thing is not over long. So if you go in between the plants, then you see how. Now see how it usually go fast. So if you weed a whole long bed in 10 minutes, and the most important part, I say, it will make your back no go hot. Once it's sharp, it will cut any soft grass, especially that soft grass where it just start come out. It just start come out. It go cut them. It go weed them. I'm not gonna weed this side because this vegetable you overchoke. So make I go for this other bed for here. We get enough space. See how the weed them. So if you get this tool, you fit weed a whole farm in 1 hour or in less than 30 minutes. As you make it so, it just cut the grass right from under. And then it'll go. It'll go. So when I go for welder, when I show you this video, it go make on our own. Or any welder when a farmer, if he make them, it is sell them for other farmers then. So I hope say as doing so, people then where they there for town, for place where they go see welder, they go show them this video. Or you design your own. You design your own. Now see the short time where I don't take them for weed this whole place. The most important thing I say, my back. The most important thing I say, I know they bend my back for weed. I stand for up, and then I the weed. So make una see this hand tool for weed, and I make una own when I use them for weed on the farm. If anybody get any question about how to make this tool, or if I get any question, I feel always send me a WhatsApp message. WhatsApp number now +1 202 735 1145, or if you send email for amberfarmersvoice@gmail.com. I thank you again very much. We're gonna continue for watch Amber Farmers Voice for small tips and way when I feel them for help for our farm work. Thank you so much.
Now Amber Farmers Voice Days. Shall move forward. We are so proud to be Ambazonians. Ambazonians shall move forward. We are so proud to be Ambazonians. We come from Omondi and Fako, Dongamanto, Kope Maningu Babwi. We come from Ezama Yugoyo.
Mama and Papa them for Southern Cameroons and Ambazonia, una welcome for Amber Farmers Voice. Amber Farmers Voice na program where it bring una practical and simple way them for grow plenty chop. We don't see and say this world is so hungry go dey plenty yo. So Amber Farmers Voice dey here for help for say make we put all we head for one place, see how we fit make we own organic fertilizer, how we fit make we own medicine where we fit use them for key insect dey wey dey spoil chop. We want see how we will fit work plenty chop for small ground, for small piece of land, so we work plenty chop day. How we fit fix we own solar dryer them for dry wood chop like jama them. So we dey talk say make all man tune in for SCBC TV, for Umo Jami, for Facebook, YouTube, or you fit download Amber Farmers Voice app for learn how we fit work plenty chop. If una get any question or problem with una farm, una fit send am for we. so that Amber Farmers Voice go answer am for una. We be ready for help una, for give una information for how for grow plenty chop, for keep chop for long time, make it no spoil. Thank una plenty.
Shall move forward. We are so proud to be Ambazonians. Ambazonians shall move forward. We are so proud.